Hello everyone! Today we're comparing two of the most popular water filter jugs, the Brita Jug and PitcherPro by TAPP Water. Let's find out which product is best for you.
Setup and use. First off, setup and use. The Brita Jug is easy to install. Just put the filter inside the jug, fill it with water and wait for the water to get filtered. PitcherPro by TAPP Water is just as easy with no plastic wrapping in the box. Just remove the cap with the filter and fill up the glass jar. Put the cap back on and pour tasty clean water into a glass. Brita and PitcherPro both win in setup and use. Water taste. Next up, water taste. Don't take our word for it. According to water sommelier Milin Patel in the UK, the PitcherPro water tastes excellent, and in fact PitcherPro is his #1 choice according to a recent water jug review by the Telegraph. The Brita Jug came in second. PitcherPro is the winner. Filtration. When it comes to filtration efficiency, PitcherPro takes the lead. Its 3-stage filter handles over 80 unwanted substances, while Brita Maxtra only specifies chlorine, limescale and reduces lead and copper. PitcherPro wins this category. Filtration speed. With PitcherPro you can fill up the glass jar and instantly pour water into glass with a flow of about 2 liters per minute. While with Brita you need to wait for the water to get filtered first. It takes 2 minutes to filter the whole jug. PitcherPro wins hands-on. Filter capacity. In terms of filter capacity, PitcherPro provides up to 2,400 liters per year with its yearly subscription, whereas Brita Maxtra offers 1,200 liters if you replace the refills every month as instructed. PitcherPro wins this category with 2 times more clean, tasty drinking water. Annual price. How does the annual cost of Brita and TAPP Water compare? PitcherPro costs €68.90 for the first year and then €44 per year for the cartridges, while Brita costs about €99 for the first year and then €70 per year. So PitcherPro offers a lower annual cost with 2 times more filtered water.
Sustainability is important, and both the PitcherPro cartridges and the ones by Brita are much more sustainable than bottled water. But the PitcherPro ones win in this category because they use a bit less plastic and it's easier to separate the parts. But kudos to Brita for their recycling program. In conclusion, PitcherPro by TAPP Water wins in 6 out of 7 categories and ties in 1, which is setup and use. So if you want the best water filter jug in terms of taste, filtration, performance, efficiency, sustainability and good value for money, then try out PitcherPro by TAPP Water. Stay healthy, stay hydrated.